So for the final example, we'd like to verify that the sine of pi over 6 plus theta plus the cosine of pi over 3 plus theta is equal to just the cosine of theta. And I think we should start on the left side, don't you? I think so too. We will expand it out using the sine of a plus b formula, which gives us the sine of pi over 6 times the cosine of theta plus or minus plus the cosine of pi over 6 times the sine of theta. Then I have to add to that this guy, which is the cosine of a plus b, which is cosine of the first, cosine of the second, minus sine of the first times sine of the second. Okay, at this point, I think that what we should do is go through and plug in anything from the unit circle that we can. So we're going to go to our unit circle and we're going to do these. And you can do them in degrees or in radians. The cosine of pi over 6 is the same, the pi over 6 is the same as 30, right? Yes. So really I'm asking you, what's the sine of 30 degrees? 1/2. So we have 1/2 cosine of theta. What's the cosine of pi over 6 or 30 degrees?
Square root of 3 over 2.
Square root of 3 over 2 times the
Sine of theta.
Plus, I want the cosine of pi over 3, which is also the cosine of 60, which is 1/2 cosine of theta, minus the sine of pi over 3, which is the sine of 60, which is the square root of 3 over 2 times the sine of theta. And then something magical happens. What happens to this guy and this guy? Ooh, they go to 0. And then what happens to half of a cosine plus half of a cosine? It's a whole cosine. And that is what we were hoping to show. So now we are finished.